how does a segmented lightning diverter like StrikeTape, how does that help discharge some of that static electricity?
Well, in our case, strike tape is used around the receptors, and it's there to guide the lightning and static electricity to and from the receptor. Because in many cases, and it's very easy to see, go online and just Google lightning receptor or wind turbine blade. You'll see a bunch of lightning damage and static electricity damage up around the receptors because you're not moving charge to where it should go, which is where the receptor is. And so our strike tape device actually provides the pathway to and from the receptor. So on the lightning strike situation, a lot of times the receptors are actually reaching out electrically into the space. We're providing that pathway to get off the blade. So it follows the strike tape, goes out in the atmosphere, and then if the discharge happens, the discharge happens. But we know we've already created that pathway. Same thing for static electricity. What you don't want to do on a blade is let random static electricity discharges just happen any place.
Yeah.
You want to control where that happens, right? So in a strike tape case, another receptor is going to take that. If the blade does get charged, it's trying to discharge up in the atmosphere, and it will do that. At least you're giving it a path to go, and it's not through the blade. It's on the outside of the blade where it can do no structural damage. That's the beauty of something like a strike tape, because you can just apply right to the outside of the wind turbine blade and get that kind of increase in performance and protection against punctures around and electrical stress around the receptor. Extends the life of the blade considerably just for that reason.